Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna have a quick look at a backup with Rsync. So I have my home directory and I wanted to make a backup of that on an external hard disk. I have a USB disk connected to my machine, and we're gonna make a backup on that weekly basis. So we're gonna use Rsync and we're gonna use Crontab to schedule that. So Rsync is a tool to remotely sync all your files and directories, and Crontab is a way to schedule your jobs on Linux. So first we have a quick look at Rsync. So we do manual Rsync, and we can see how Rsync is customized. So here you have Rsync-A is a fast, versatile, remote and local file copying tool. So what do? You Rsync your options, if you have that, a remote system with a username or something like that. And we have a couple of options that we need to set. So what I would like to see is a verbose. So we do -v. So that's one. We're gonna use the archive mode. Why are we gonna use the archive mode? Because archive mode also has recursive, it has links and all kind of things already in place. So we're gonna archive our directory into a backup directory. So we're doing A and V. And then also I want to exclude a couple of directories. So we do --exclude, and we're gonna do a pattern or something like that, and we're gonna exclude some directories for it. And I want to delete everything from my archive that I delete on my local machine. So those are the things that we're gonna use. So let's go back and let's create the rsync command that we want to use. So, but first of all, we need to know where we're gonna put our data. So if I do a df, this is the one that I want to back up, so my home directory, and this is the USB disk that I have connected now. So it's a dev1, it's a 4 terabyte disk, and this is the link to it. So this is where it's mounted, and if I changed my directory to there, so copy, if I cd into that location and I do an ls, I have a directory backup. So cd backup, and if I do ls here, it's empty, as you can see. Ctrl L. So df again. Now we're gonna go to home. So cd df. So I want to have this link here, and we're gonna make the rsync. So rsync is the command. We're doing archive. We're doing verbose, and I want to do delete all my files or directories that I delete on my home directory also be deleted in my archive. And then we do exclude is 2 brackets, and within the brackets we're gonna do the directories that we want to exclude. So the first one is downloads. So I don't want my downloads directory being copied over. And there's also a cache for Mozilla for the Firefox. So the .cache I want to exclude as well. And all the subdirectories. And where are we going from? So this is my home, my username, yeah, this is my starter. So this is my home directory, and we're gonna place it. Come on. And we're gonna copy that. And we're gonna paste it here as my directory, and we're gonna put it in the backup directory. So this is the complete command that I want to use for my backup. So I exclude downloads, because everything in my downloads I don't need in my backup. And I exclude my cache for Firefox, because I don't want to have that in my backup directory. So this is my command. If I press enter, it's creating the file list, and then it starts copying. Right? This can take a while because it's quite some data. And I'm gonna open a second terminal. So I'll put this one here. I will open this one here. So let me see, I've had the command here as well. Yeah. So this is the command that we're using. I'm gonna copy this again. And I'm now gonna break that. And I want to explain Crontab to you. So man Crontab. Crontab is a way to schedule your tasks. So what do? Crontab is a command. We have to edit it, and then you can specify what you want to add in that directory. Okay. So we do Crontab -e, and here is the Crontab that we want to use. So I want to do it every week at on Sunday, for instance, and we always start by 0, and then we go forward in days, if I'm correct. Let me just be completely sure about that. Crontab -help. No, I think I have to be in the manual. I want to see how it counts. I don't see it here. So let's do a quick browse. Google Crontab schedule days of the week. Let me just check. Yearly, it's 1 to 5. Days of the week syntax, Sunday. Yeah, okay, so 0 to 7. 0 is Sunday. Monday is 1. I want to do it on Saturday, day 6. So that's the day that I'm gonna be doing it. Here it says also explained the minutes. So the first one is the minutes, the hour, the day of the month, and the day of the week. Yeah? So this is what we're going to use. So Crontab E, and we want to schedule this way. So what are we going to do? We're going to do it at 0 hours. And I want to schedule it at, let's say, 6 o'clock. Month, hours, minutes, hours, day, month, and day of the week. So we're going to do that on the 6th day, on Saturday. And we're going to put in our command. Okay, this is going very good. Okay, start from scratch. We're going to do it on 0 minutes. We're going to do it at 6 o'clock at the evening. Every day of the month, every day, every month. And we're going to do it on the 6th day. So we're going to put in the rsync. Dash AV, dash delete, dash exclude is 2 brackets, downloads, comma, dot cache /star, and we're going to home Tom, so paste, come on. So here's the command, 6AV, exclude, and then our directories and where we want to put it, right? So if we do exit now and we save it as Crontab, it should schedule us every day, every Saturday at 6 o'clock to start running my backups. You can see the backup is still running, and there's a lot of things that are going there, but this is the way I want to see it. So I hope you liked this video, I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.